All right, folks, come along with me as we go to the pasture and check out a little land clearing that's being done. It's something that we've been wanting to get done here on the homestead for quite a while, and today's the day. So let's run on back there and see what we got going on. Homesteading is an instinctive act to survive that has been passed down by our ancestors. Simply put, they did what they had to do to survive on the land. That's why I raise what I can, harvest what I need, and grow what I eat. I am Nathan Balderez, and this is KBL Texas Homestead. Alright, this boy is knocking it out. Look at all this mulch I have now. Not only did I get all this brush and land cleared, I got all this mulch to come with it. It's thick. Look at that thickness. Big old layer of mulch. It's really opened up the property, man. It looks good. Okay, in this video that was shot months prior,
you can see how thick that back pasture was. You can see all the yopons and big trees and all the underbrush. Now, right there where they're directly walking, I had mowed through with a brush hog and got that clear, just cleared a path through. But everything behind it, you can see how thick that is. It was just thick, man. When we first moved in, you couldn't even walk through. It was so thick. But now the gentleman has hit it with his mulcher, and he's completely opened it up for us, and it looks great. All right, folks. Well, that was a little bit of the footage that I shot while this land was being cleared. Gentleman did a great job clearing my land, brought his machine out, kept it running all day, and got knocked down what I needed to get knocked down at a reasonable price. And, I want to thank him for that. So I'll try to put a link to his Facebook page and his business name in the comments. Like I was saying, he's down here in southeast Texas and does a great job, does great work. So you can get at him. But again, thank you for watching the video. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe. Like always, remember, till next time.